Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Ivan's Treasure. Let's have fun learning with us today. Today we are going to see some fruits and vegetable names. Let's start with fruits. Orange, banana, watermelon, mango, grapes. We have green, black, and red grapes. Strawberries, guava, cherry, raspberry, blueberry, papaya, pear, pomegranate, kiwi, green apple, pine apple, lychee, avocado. Now let's see some vegetables. Tomato, eggplant, carrot, cauliflower, broccoli, spinach, cabbage, lettuce, pepper capsicum, garlic, beetroot, green beans, ginger, guar, spring onion, peas, okra, potato, sweet potato, pumpkin, turnip, turmeric. Hope you like. Thanks for watching and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.